I like that spring though. Like, to prop the hood up? Wow.
Drove it around as a standard Magnum for about 6 months.
Yeah.
Then I constantly come from Europe. I wanted to go for the 300 swap.
Yeah, in Europe they're freaking popular.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
You can even get a diesel version over there, which is great.
Yeah.
So I done the flat bottom conversion.
The lip on the inside of the fender you have to cut off.
Right.
So I've cut about 1.5 inches in, about 8 inches down.
How long did this whole take?
It actually, the one side took me about 3 hours. The other side took me a couple hours.
Damn.
Had a little bit of help.
Damn. Look at that.
Oh yeah, solid set.
In the back too?
No, not yet.
Not yet. You're doing the same thing?
Yes. But yeah, I'm gonna do the back. I'm hoping a gentleman gets back to me.
Yeah.
He's got a set on the Charger, so.
Rims. Where'd you get the rims?
Oh, they were.
I like that spring though. Like, to prop the hood up? Wow.
Oh, it's a ghost design.
Hey, buddy. Nice ride, man. Thank you very much. Look at that. That's award winner right there, eh?
Yeah.
Looking nice, bro.
Yes, still a lot of work. Still a ton of work.
That is nice.
All the fuel went.
Tell me about your vehicle, man.
Right.
What is going on here?
It started off as a 2008 K9 unit from Peterborough.
Canine unit, literally.
Yeah, if
K9
you come
unit.
here, you can see it's an ex-copter.
Yeah.
Still got the shifter on the column. Still has the dome light up there as well. So, yeah, started off as that. Drove it around as a standard Magnum for about 6 months.
Yeah.
Then I constantly come from Europe. I wanted to go for the 300 swap.
Yeah, in Europe they're freaking popular.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
You can even get a diesel version over there, which is great.
Yeah.
So I done the flat bottom conversion, and then after that it went to a round bottom conversion.
Yeah.
And then it went to this. Just
I can only say I'm impressed, Philip.
so yeah,
I'm impressed.
I had to fabricate the wing, the fenders on it. So like, yeah, it's just one of those things where it
Did you do
just.
all this yourself?
This is a backyard build.
This is a backyard building.
This is a backyard build. This has not been into any shops to be modified. The work's been done by myself.
So you could do other Magnums.
I could.
So what's your price? What's going on?
I don't know, it's quite funny because Rob's got my old 300 hood with
Yeah.
the eyebrows. That's mine. Joey's got my lights and grille. They were mine. It
Hey.
seems like every part of my Magnum's in this group somewhere. Like this front bumper on Chris's.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So yeah, and the paint we're using, all I know it's called SC90, which is a high white.
Yeah.
And then I put 50% matte into it, and you can't see it today, but when
I love the matte though.
Yeah,
Because you can
it's-
get the curves in there, baby.
yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, my first paint job I did with Tremclad, and nobody could tell a difference.
Buddy over there has Tremclad, man.
Yeah.
It's Tremclad crew, eh? Do you
Yeah.
use the roller?
No, I sprayed it.
Yeah.
The only downside to it is that you can't clean it. It got to a point where it was just so dirty.
Yeah.
And then my boss said I could use the paint booth at work.
Yeah.
I bought the cheapest paint, and I was like,
Hey, it works.
it works, but
Yeah.
it seems like I'm rushing it. Like I don't have time to get in there and actually.
Well, it's the end of the year, right?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I got the idea from Phil.
Yeah.
So I got Phil to make me up the hinges.
Hair, right?
Yes, Phil Hare, of course. Like, I wish he was here. But yeah, he hooked me up
He
with the
should be here. He's out for me this way.
I know. Well, he's up Toronto way.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, it was dirty last time. And then the fuse box cover I made.
Yeah.
And then if you go to Paul Malaka's car, I made him the fuse box cover, and I did this. It's all clear out too, just like the fuse box cover on his.
Nice.
So you can see the brake reservoir.
All right.
All right.
So the install.
Yes.
Tell me about what the heck's going on here?
Well,
What's going on?
The install was a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
But I had to take the fenders off. So when I take the fenders off, I have to tape up the door.
Yeah.
So up top, off to the side, so it doesn't move anywhere in place.
Yeah.
So it's all solid. So then take the hinges off, bolt up the bracket, like put the bracket in, line it all up,
Yeah.
and then bolt it from there.
Yeah.
And then do all your adjusting.
Holy
Then the fender, the lip on the inside of the fender, you have to cut off.
Right.
So I've cut about 1.5 inches in, about 8 inches down.
How long did this whole take?
It actually, the one side took me about 3 hours. The other side took me a couple hours.
Damn.
Had a little bit of help.
Damn. Look at that.
Oh yeah, solid set.
In the back too?
No, not yet.
Not yet. You're doing the same thing?
Yes. But yeah, I'm gonna do the back. I'm hoping a gentleman gets back to me.
Yeah.
He's got a set on the Charger, so.
Rims. Where'd you get the rims?
Oh, they were on the car when I got them.
Offsets? Any offset plates?
Nope.
Or just throw them on there?
They were just thrown on.
So you're saying you're able to get a dish without any freaking plates on?
Yep.
Damn.
Yep. And that's,
Mopar, no car.
Yeah. it's perfect. It's the perfect offset for those.
Yeah, yeah.
And I got a lot of tuck, so I can even get my hand in there, no problem.
Yeah.
So
Looks
she
good.
doesn't rub.
Looks good, man. Nice.
But I'm thinking of going 20s. Go a little bit lower and go 20s.
These are 22s?
Yeah, those are 22s.
Go 20.
I want to go.
Go 20.
But I got no problems with the 22s. They ride nice. Yeah.
Freaking beautiful. Oh, tell me about this. It looks custom. What's going on here?
Oh, what, my car?
Oh, the whole thing. The phone.
I got my captions. They're my D2 V2s.
Yeah.
The box is custom made. My buddy Kyle up in Bowmanville custom made it for me.
Yeah.
It's 2-stack at 33 hertz. And then
Looks like it pounds, buddy.
Oh, it pounds.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, yes.
Uh-oh. Boom.
So, I got my captions.
You sponsored, bro?
No, I'm not sponsored. I wish. But I got my 1201s. Each of these pound my subs. This one's going to be my fronts when I get everything hooked up.
Yeah.
That's 400 times 4, so I got 2 sets of components to put into it.
Gosh darn it, I love it.
So,
Are you painting this?
yeah, it's all getting fiberglass.
Damn.
So everything in here is all going to get remolded, fiberglass through.
Yeah.
So.
Woo! What exhaust are you on in this baby?
I'm running from single exhaust to true dual. It's a 3.5, and I'm running Super 44s.
Woo!
Dual, true dual on this thing now.